Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Thomas. I am a final year student of MBA ESG, majoring in luxury management. The reasoning behind why I choose luxury management as my major goes back to a quote that I read from Bernard Arnault, who is the CEO of LVMH. And the quote goes like this: luxury is the ordinary for the extraordinary and the extraordinary for the ordinary people. Now, this quote resonated with me a lot because it was something very inspirational, especially in the luxury field. My experience in MBA ESG over the past few years has been exciting as well as nerve-wracking. The best thing I love about the MBA ESG is, again, that I said, the environment, the luxurious environment that they foster, and the industry visits that they take us to. It has been very lovely. The first major event that I did attend in MBA ESG was the DD Nature Camp that we did. So in this nature camp, we had a lot of activities, especially team building activities. We've been to industry visits such as Sula Vineyards. That was a memorable experience. We had the opportunity to taste wines. We had the opportunity to know how wines were created, how they were fermented, the aging process, which was lovely. My internship I did through my college was at Audi Bengaluru Central. Audi is one of the renowned car manufacturers in the world. The main thing I was working in Audi was with marketing, and I learned a lot how to deal with customers and what type of customers show up in a luxury brand. So on to my placements, I'm grateful for having two opportunities that have come my way. So far I have got two offers, and I have attended quite a few interviews as well, and I'm hoping I get positive results in those as well. And this is all thanks to the team that helped me throughout my placement process in ESG. So to finalize, the experience in MBA ESG has been extremely memorable. This is one thing that I will cherish throughout my whole life.